at gabay ng magulang ay kailangan sa mga batang manonood.
GMA News and Public Affairs. Walang kinikilingan, walang pinoprotektahan, walang kasinungalingan, serbisyong totoo lang.
Marunong din naman akong tumawa. Marunong din akong umiyak.
Ay, ako, Diyos ko. Last, makakatulog din ako.
Paano niyo gustong maalala, Mang Dolphy?
Sabi mo nga, with a smile on their faces.
Kumusta po kayo bilang isang tatay?
Kasi pag sumigaw ako, galit na ako noon. Actually, hindi ako natural na comedian eh. Masyado akong, sa totoong buhay, very quiet ako eh.
Parang ang hirap pong paniwalaan, seryoso kayong tao. Yung comedy king ng Pilipinas, seryosong tao.
Kung naliligo kayo, gaano katagal bago mabasa ang paa nyo?
Kunwari, humahagalpak lahat yung tao sa kwarto dahil sa jokes niyo.
Ibang klaseng feeling eh.
Anong pakiramdam
parang inaangat
yun?
ka sa, parang nililipad ka ng agad sa langit.
Mababaw din ho ba luha niyo, Mang Dolphy?
Kababaw. Ang biggest pain na yung mamatayan ako ng anak dahil ngayon lang ako namatayan ng anak noon. Mabigat talaga.
Lumayo ka!
Nasaan ka man at kahit kailan
Tay. Nay.
Magandang gabi, ako po ang inyong kapuso, Jessica Soho. Isang pagbibigay pugay sa natatanging hari ng komedya.
My father, Dolphy, left at 8:34 p.m. following a cardiac arrest. Pray for his eternal repose, and in his honor, please smile at the person standing next to you.
Ours was not a conventional family. Pero sa'yo ko natutunan kung paano mahalin at magmahal.
Totoo ba na ang mga favorite daw ni Mang Dolphy, kayong mga girls?
I guess since hindi naman sikreto na medyo ladies man yung tatay namin, so I guess meron siya talagang soft spot para sa mga daughters niya. But I guess it's safe to say he loved us all equally.
Nagbibilin ba siya na, oh girls, when you choose your boyfriends, meron ba siya mga ganyang dialogue sa inyo?
Wala naman, kasi I guess he also made sure na we learn from his mistakes then. So I guess he was also very protective, pero natuto din siya na from a distance.
So paano niyo kinakaya this huge loss that is Dolphy, your dad?
It's always one day at a time for us. And I think na as much as it gets harder every day, we know that our support group is 18 members strong at its core.
Right now, I find it then really hard to sing kasi he is the person that really instilled the love of music in me.
So you don't have a song for him?
I do, but I guess I'll just iiyak. Magwo-walling na lang ako dito kung kakatayin ko.
Kumusta ka na?
Siyempre, hindi natin maiwasan yung maiyak ka or frustrated. Pero hanggang doon na lang siguro yun.
Papa mo mismo sinabi sa akin na ikaw daw ang paborito sa mga anak niyang lalaki.
Paboritong pagsabihan.
Ano yung kabilin-bilinan niya sa'yo?
Actually, sa lahat sa amin, always keep your feet on the ground. Kahit ano pa yung may naiwan siyang legacy sa amin, Dolphy, sobrang the king. Siyempre, lahat kaming pamilya, huwag kami umere. Always keep our foot on the ground.
Ano yung sa lahat yung pinakamasakit sa'yo na maalala?
Siya mismo. Siya mismo. The whole Dolphy. Not clips, not situations, but him. Siya lang. Mahal na mahal ko tatay ko. And thank you pa dahil kinabit mo yung pangalan mo sa pangalan ko.
Oo nga.
Ito matawag nga sa'yo, Van Dolphy.
Naalala namin lahat nung naaksidente ka sa Pangasinan. Nakuna ng camera yung mga pag-aalala ni Mang Dolphy.
Dilat ko, medyo tuliro ako nun eh. Sabi siya, yung papa mo, iyak na iyak sa akin yan. Lagi tinatanong, buhayin niyo yung anak ko. Mahal na mahal ko yung anak ko, buhayin niyo po yung anak ko. Gusto ko man bumawi sa tatay ko ng grabing-grabe. Pero wala na siya eh, so babawi lang sa prayers. Pa, nandiyan ka na. Pray for everybody in the Philippines and the whole world. And help us. Gawin mong gabay ka sa amin. Na pag nalulungkot kami lahat, naisip lang namin, Dolphy, may ngiti na darating.
Thank you, Dolphy, sa pagmamahal mo. Sobrang pagmamahal na binigay mo sa anak ko, kay Van Dolph, sa anak natin. At hindi mo pinabayaan. Nagpapasalamat din ako dahil nakasama kita.
What was it like growing up to be the son of a very famous man?
Growing up, knowing that our father is some sort of a king, so somehow we thought that we were royalty as well.
There's 18 of you. So, medyo problema how much time he would allot to each kid, di ba?
When I was younger, I know for a fact that we spent a lot of time with him. Most of the time, he was with us, with our family, no?
You were complaining to him, nagrereklamo ka na ang tawag sa'yo, anak sa labas, and then he inassure ka niya.
Anak ka sa labas, anak ka sa labas. So that's what people were telling me. To the point na nakikipagsuntukan ako, Jessica, sa ano.
Did you take it up with him? Tinanong mo ba?
Yes, I remember what he said. He said, paano ka maging anak sa labas? Nasa loob ka ng pamamahay ko. Parang gano'n.
Komedyante.
So sabi ko gano'n, okay. Pero ba't nga, ano yun? Anong ibig sabihin nun? Oh, Eric, huwag mong isipin yan. Anak kita. Walang anak sa labas. Basta, lagay mo sa isipan mo, anak kita. What he did was, he went to school. So dinala ko siya sa classroom ko din. Parang pinarato ko siya sa buong eskwelahan.
Wow.
After that, it became different. Even the treatment of all the kids, all of a sudden, naging bida ko.
Pero amazing na how he got his kids, all of you, to accept each other.
I think it was easy for us to accept the fact that we have like other siblings is because he was open eh. Parang kamukha kami. When growing up, we grew up knowing that we have other siblings.
I cannot even begin to imagine paano mo nakakaya ito.
Hindi ko rin alam. No, actually alam ko. Kagabi, kasama ko kasi si Karil, si Zia at saka si Nicole sa isang maliit na kwarto. Tinignan ko silang tatlo. Nakangiti ako, sabi ko, Jesus, maraming salamat. I'm so blessed. Blines mo ko by giving me 3 wonderful, strong women to be around me. So that's where I draw my strength from.
pasensya ka na, this is medyo sticky. But last year, people were expecting you to get married daw. What happened? But hindi natuloy? And do you regret not going through? Kasi I understand it came from your decision not to get married. Do you regret that now that he's
Hindi
gone?
na, kasi kung na-imagine ko, kung kinasal kami, may mga tao masasaktan. Siguro hindi talagang dapat binata ka na lang. Dahil ayoko, it matters to me what his children will say. It matters to me kung ano yung mararamdaman nila. Dahil mahal ko rin sila eh. Kahit may edad na, parang siyempre may masakit pa rin yun, may kurot pa rin yun eh. Bakit hindi yung nanay ko?
So you made the supreme sacrifice, kumbaga, kasi every woman wants to walk down the aisle. But in your case, nagsakripisyo ka because you don't want his kids to feel bad.
Yeah, kasi nga, mahal ko din sila eh. Ayoko masasaktan sila. Feeling ko kung tinuloy namin yun, it would be a selfish decision para sa amin lang.
There's so much outpouring of love. Everyone's saying a lot of, mga di natin alam noon na mga good deeds na ginawa niya.
Hindi naman ako nagugulat. Dahil sa pagkakilala ko sa kanya, talagang kaya siya mahal ng napakaraming tao dahil sa mahal niya lahat eh.
He like to say na ikaw na raw yung last. The factory is closed. Okay. Now people bring up, his other women, and yet you are the one. Ikaw yung, in the end, ikaw yung wagi sa lahat.
Hindi naman to contest. Siguro in the beginning, I felt that, yung parang contest ba ito? Pagka nararamdaman ko na ganun, pinipigilan ko yung sarili ko, hindi naman ito contest, ito yung buhay. Hindi naman ito kung sino yung yung pagmamahal na ipaglaban mo lang. And minsan syempre you get emotional also, pero dapat steady ka lang.
Did you ever rib him or tease him about ba't ang dami niya? Ba't naging ladies man siya?
Para sa akin okay lang yun kasi nung dumating ako, history na niya yun eh. So, kailangang tanggapin ko yon, hindi ba? So, meron ako mga nababasa, mga recollection, ganyan, magsusulat sila tungkol sa mga happy times sila. I smile actually. Oo, kasi nai-imagine ko sila during that time, wala pa naman ako noon eh.
A lot of people marvel. There's such a huge difference in your age, and yet you got along so very well. What's the secret?
When our children came, I guess, yung mga anak namin kasi, it strongly bonded us. And he wasn't that busy with work anymore, that he really got to spend a lot of time with us.
Yung Jack and Jill, nag-hit yun sobra na pagkatapos noon, yung mga ibang characters sa comics, puros mukha na ni Dolphy ang ginaya.